typically what a 9 to 5 trader looks like, working and trading. Yeah, we have to do it because we have a goal to achieve. So off to work, man. Going to get the boss. Okay, so this is on the hit the road right now. Hit the road on the road right now, just a lot of traffic. So I decided to take a walk on the street for getting to work. It's kind of close by. I don't want to spend much because there's no cash. So I decided to take a walk. If you're new to this channel, this is day in life of a working trader, working and trading. So stressful. I can imagine what it means to be doing something else and be doing trading. It's really not easy. You know, when trading hits you here, when the market hits you, it feels so bad, but we have to keep going. That's basically one thing about it. We ain't giving up. No, we ain't giving up until we get there. Yep, to get there. Already at work, going to open my own office so I can start up the day. That's it, guys. It's so fun, man, but all the same, the roller coaster that comes with life and trading isn't easy. So we just have to keep going till we get there. So guys, every day in my life, every day is a new opportunity. I give God the glory for every new day in my life. I don't want to put myself in that situation where I judge yesterday's result with today's result, because I really don't know what will happen today. That's why, as a forex trader, you must always think like a probability. Everything in trading is all about probability. Nothing is 100%, even in this world. That is why the professionals will tell you that if you want to be consistent in making money in the forex market, you need to think like a probability. Think in probability. Look at getting to the top as to become a profitable trader is one thing that is a very, 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 very hard thing. But once we get it, we strike from there. Like they always say, stick to your trade plan. Always show up in the market. Even if the market hits you today, show up tomorrow. If it hits you tomorrow, show up the next day. One day you definitely hit the market, because every day is a new opportunity in every trader's life. I hope to get there one day. That's why I'm not going to give up. I'm also telling you guys, don't give up. We're in this together. We are definitely going to cross the bridge, because we've given a lot to the market and we need to do what? Get back from the market. So guys, I'm with you. What's up, fam? Happy, so excited to bring you to another video. You know how we do it. It's your boy Franklin. Please, sorry about that. Today's another day in my life for working forex trader. So if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel, because I bring you guys up with new content and day in my life, how my life go working and trading. It's really not easy. So this is a new week and a new day. So guys, I'm going to take you all around how my day went, you know, if I'll get any setup or not. And also I'm going to tell you the trade I took on Friday. So I wasn't able to post the video or something, so I'm going to show you guys the trade I took on Friday, how it played out. So guys, without wasting much of time, let's go. Okay guys, this is I want to take you guys, welcome back to the chat rather. So I'll take you guys on the trade I took on Friday. So it was during the London session. It was around here at the open of the London session. Yes, like you guys know, if I own this, the OGs know I trade one pair, which is the EURUSD, and I trade from 5-minute time frame to 1-minute time frame, and I make my entries on 15 seconds, 10 seconds, and thereabout. Provide even if it is 1 minute, I see my entry model, I take it. You get the point. So that is basically how I trade, and I trade the smart money concept refined to my own methodology. So guys, I'm going to take you on what I saw, what I saw on 1 minute time frame, the reason why I took that trade. So guys, follow me. So I'm going to, sorry, Friday, yeah, was here. So guys, follow me on how I entered this trade. So when I came in the mornings, permit me to off this. When I came in the morning, I saw that price what took out this high here, which signifies a what, a liquidity what, a liquidity grab for me. It signifies a liquidity grab for me when price takes out a high or a low and a sharp move. It signifies a liquidity grab. If you go on my previous video, you're gonna understand what I mean by liquidity and liquidity grab. So after saying that, I saw that price did what, broke this low here, this low, because this low here pushed up and took out this liquidity and moved fastly away from that point. So that signifies as a liquidity grab. So, and it broke that structure, which is known as my what, first break of structure. You can see here the first break of structure, which I'm going to signify as what, BOS. This is the first break of structure, which is BOS. So that's my first break of structure. So after that, I saw that we have two other block, which is this one here and this one here, that led to the first break of structure. So I waited for price to do to come back to any of this other block, and you can see that price came back to this to this first other block here and did what, and it reacted very well from it. So you can see guys, after price came back from this point, it broke this structure and came back to mitigate this other block. It did what, it indeed broke another structure, which is this low. It broke this structure again. So that signifies what my two break of structure has been confirmed. My two break of structure has been confirmed. So that is it. So but guys, the OGs know that once I get the first break of structure, I wait for price to come back to any of the other block, which it did here. So that point signifies as what, my mitigation point, which leaves behind what, invalidation point. If you don't know what I mean by invalidation point, go on my previous video, you're going to know what I mean by invalidation point. But to throw a little light about it, it means that if price goes above that point and marked as invalidation point, then that setup is what, invalidated. So I think it as what, INV, which is invalidation. So guys, that's it. So then after that, I look for the other block that led to the second break of structure, and you guys can agree with me that this is the other block, which is like a shooting star candle. I don't know this name, but I believe this is a shooting star candle that led to this second break of structure. So that is what my other block, which I marked as my point of interest. So what do I mean by point of interest? My point of interest means that it is the point I'm willing to do to sell or buy from. But in this case, it is a sell case. So that will be my POI. So I waited for price to come back to that POI. You can see that price aggressively went back there to the POI. Then I look for my entry model, and I got my entry model around price of 1.06. I got my entry at 1.0678. Yeah, 78. Yeah, that was it. And you just know that I go for 2 pip stop loss, which is 2 pip stop loss. I go for 2 pip stop loss, and I go for 20 pips target, which is 1:10. That is what I go for, 1:10 for every trade I take. You get the point. You can see that price eventually reacted massively from that after seeing my entry model on the 15 seconds time frame. So you can see price finally hit TP here massively. So guys, and it took us like thereabout. It took us thereabout 1 hour 3 minutes to hit TP, and that was a good ratio, good trade, 1:10. So guys, let's go. Like I said, I'm going to talk about the day in my life. So let's go guys, let's go.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait.
So guys, I took a trade this morning during the London session. So but right now I'm going to the bank to pay in electricity bill. You get the point. So but if I come back, I'm going to do what? Tell you, break down how the trade went and everything. You get the point. So right now the trade is currently on. So I don't know what the trade is right now currently doing, but you can see I'm going to post the video on the record. So if I come back, I'm going to tell you how the trade plays out. So guys, let's go to the bank together. Let's go.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember.
Welcome back to the chat, guys. I'm just coming back from the bank. You can see I'm just coming back from the bank, and I've done what I went to do in the bank. I went to pay bills. So guys, there's a trade I showed you guys before going for the bank. So I'm here to tell you guys how the trade turned out. You can see the previous if you read the previous video that the trade was running massively, but let's see how the trade ended out. So guys, I'm going to take you what I saw on the what I saw before taking that trade. So guys, the OGs know also that I trade the 1 pair and on the London session and this is New York section. So it was on the 1 minute time frame. You can see it was on the 1 minute time frame. After that 1 minute time frame, I saw that price pushed up and took out this eye. It took out this eye here, this eye there. It took out it. So that's after taking out the eye there, price started reversing back. So I consider that as a liquidity grab there. So a liquidity grab. So eventually after that, I saw that price, this was a low here. If you have watched my previous video, you will know on market structure, you will know what I mean by this is a low, this is a low, this is a high, because there's a series of candles pull by opposite candle going to the opposite side. So that's considered as a low. So and price broke that low there. So price, that was the first break of structure. That was the first break of structure. So that was first break of structure. So after that, after seeing that, price eventually did came back to this other block that led to the first break of structure. It came back there and reacted massively to break this second low. So after doing that, that signifies that I have my trend confirmation has occurred. So which is the second break of structure. So this is second break of structure, guys. So that's the second break of structure. So guys, and once price break the first break of structure and it comes back to the other block that led to the first break of structure, that considered as my mitigation, which leads behind the point of invalidation. You can see here signifies as more point of invalidation, which is the INV. So INV. So that's my INV. So then I look for the other block that led to the second break of structure, and the other block that led to the second break of structure is this candle here. You can see it led to this break of structure, and it has imbalance in between. So that is a good point of interest. So that is my point of interest, which means I'm willing to do a sell from that zone, which is the POI. The POI. So then, guys, I waited for price to do to come back to my POI before going to look for my entry model. So price eventually went back to my POI, and then I saw my entry model around this point. Yes, around here. So inside the box, which was, I took the price around 1.0662. yeah, it was around 1.0662. 1.0662, yes. And I took, which you just know that it's just the two pip stop loss that I use, and I go for 2 pip stop loss, and I go for I go for 20 pips target, which is 1:10. And guys, price tapped me in here. You can see price tapped me in here, reacted to my favor, and eventually stopped me out. So I was actually waiting for price to do I was waiting for price to do to break this low if price had broken this low, I would have gone what, break even, but price did not eventually do that, but rather came close and went back. So it is what it is. You what, you take loss, you win, you win trade, you break even, you miss trade. That is it. That is the roller coaster that comes with what, trading, because trading is a game of probability, you understand. But in a series of trade, you know that you're definitely going to come out of what, to be profitable, if only you will stick to your plan and trade and everything. So that's it's easier said than done. It's not easy. I'm also trying to what, to follow my plan. So guys, that was a loss for me today. So it is what it is. So if I get any setup, I'm going to let you guys know. So guys, I'm going to take you guys, let's go in the day of my life. Let's continue the day. I'm going to show you guys. So catch you up. You can see that I've not seen any opportunity. Price eventually started going up, and that was it. So guys, catch you up. Going to go and eat. Going to have lunch, man. Let's go and have lunch. I'm very, very, very famished here.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what
No trade today, guys, so I'm going home already. I didn't take any trade again, so I'll catch you up in the next video. See you guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
You sip wine, I drink straight.